Have you ever found yourself trapped in a financial maze, daydreaming about owning a car that won't drain your bank account faster than you can say repairs? Ready for a mind-blowing revelation, my friend? What if I told you there's an ultimate cheat code for budget-conscious car enthusiasts that will leave you speechless? Are you prepared to buckle up and embark on an awe-inspiring adventure into the realm of affordable cars that won't break the bank? Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and buckle up for an exhilarating journey into the world of pocket-friendly automotive excellence. Welcome to the 10 most affordable cars you can own without breaking the bank. The definitive guide to finding your dream car without sacrificing your hard-earned cash. You see, we understand the struggle of wanting a reliable and cost-effective vehicle that doesn't require a second mortgage. That's why we've scoured the highways and byways to bring you the creme de la creme of affordable rides. These cars will not only keep your finances intact, but also deliver the style, performance, and reliability you crave. In this eye-opening video from Car Computer Exchange, we'll unveil the hidden treasures of the automotive world, showcasing the top 10 cars that are as easy on your wallet as they are on the eyes. From sleek sedans to sporty compacts, we've got something for every budget-conscious driver. If you're tired of settling for less and ready to discover the perfect balance between price, reliability, and sheer driving joy, then this video is your golden ticket. So, tighten your seatbelt, put your foot on the gas, and let's explore the incredible world of affordable cars that are about to revolutionize your driving experience. Get ready to say goodbye to financial woes and hello to the road trip of a lifetime. Number 10. Buick, the majestic troublemaker. There's nothing quite like a Buick to stir up a controversy in the car industry. You can't help but swoon over its streamlined exterior and plush interior. What's that though? A warning signal from the engine. Check engine light repairs on a Buick cost an average of $420. So buckle up, my friend. But there is a bright spot in all of this confusion. The 2016 Ford Mustang is here to save the day, as it only costs $189 to fix. This Mustang, with its potent engine and unmistakable attitude, is not just a showstopper, but also a financial rescuer. Thus, if you're looking for a reliable Buick that won't cost a fortune to fix, keep an eye out for the Mustang logo. Number 9. Ford, the Budget Whisperer. Ford, the unsung hero of affordability and reliability. With a legacy as sturdy as a solid handshake, Ford has been keeping wallets intact for generations. And when it comes to check engine light repairs, they don't disappoint. The average cost? A reasonable $385.15. Whether you're eyeing the iconic Ford Focus, the versatile Ford Escape, or the rugged Ford F-150, this brand knows how to deliver bang for your buck. With their commitment to quality and a knack for building reliable rides, Ford vehicles have become the go-to choice for budget-conscious drivers. So, if you're looking for a car that won't empty your wallet every time that pesky check engine light flickers, Ford has got your back. Number 8. Volkswagen, the quirky German innovator. Volkswagen, the German powerhouse that blends engineering precision with quirky charm. From the iconic Beetle to the sleek Passat, these cars have won the hearts of drivers worldwide. But what about the dreaded check engine light? Brace yourself, because the average repair cost is a modest $379.63. Now, here's where things get interesting. The 2016 Passat shines through the crowd with its lowest repair cost of just $206. Yes, you heard that right. This reliable beauty proves that German engineering doesn't have to come with an intimidating price tag. So, if you've been daydreaming about cruising the streets in a Volkswagen, fear not. They may have a reputation for being a bit finicky, but with the right model and a little bit of luck, you can enjoy the best of German ingenuity without emptying your bank account. Just keep an eye out for that affordable 2016 Passat, and you'll be driving into the sunset with a smile on your face and some extra cash in your pocket. Number 7. GMC, the mighty workhorse. In the world of automobiles, GMC is undoubtedly the workhorse. GMC trucks and SUVs are well known for their durability and dependability, especially when used for towing heavy cargo or driving through rough terrain. But what do you do when that annoying warning light comes on? The typical cost to repair a GMC is around $375, so you don't have anything to worry about. But there is light at the end of the tunnel for repair bills. Enter the 2016 GMC Acadia, the knight in shining armor with the lowest repair cost of just $140. This versatile and family-friendly SUV not only provides ample space and comfort, but also ensures that your bank account remains intact. So, if you're seeking a GMC that won't drain your wallet when it comes to repairs, keep your eyes peeled for that trusty Acadia model. Number 6. Dodge, the bold maverick. Dodge, ever the defiant outlier in the auto industry. Dodge automobiles are distinguished by a unique, untamed vitality thanks to their potent engines and bold styling. So, what about that dreaded check engine warning? Relax, the national average for Dodge repairs is only $349.50. Now, hold on to your seats because we're about to reveal a true gem. The 2017 Dodge Durango shines through the crowd with the lowest repair cost of a jaw-dropping $127. Yes, you heard that right. This beastly SUV not only packs a punch, but also takes care of your bank account. So, if you crave the thrill of a Dodge without the nightmare of a hefty repair bill, set your sights on the 2017 Durango. Number 5. Chrysler. Elegance meets affordability. Chrysler, where elegance meets affordability in perfect harmony. Known for their sleek designs and comfortable interiors, Chrysler vehicles offer a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. But what about the dreaded check engine light? Take a deep breath, because the average repair cost for a Chrysler is a reasonable $337. Now, here's where things get intriguing. The 2013 Chrysler 200 emerges as the star of the show, with the lowest repair cost of $234. This stylish sedan not only turns heads on the streets, but also keeps your repair expenses in check. So, if you're daydreaming of cruising in a Chrysler and want to keep those check engine light repair costs at bay, set your sights on the affordable and reliable 2013 Chrysler 200. Now, before we dive deeper into the quest for affordable cars that won't break the bank, let me ask you a burning question, fellow roadsters. Have you ever found yourself torn between the thrill of the open road and the dread of costly repairs? Drop a comment down below and let us know your biggest car maintenance dilemma. Is it the fluctuating check engine light, the mysterious noises, or perhaps the battle against outrageous repair bills? We want to hear your tales from the road, so spill the beans and let's commiserate together. Number 4. Hyundai, the affordable dynamo. Hyundai, the brand that knows how to balance affordability and reliability like a master juggler. With their stylish designs and feature-packed vehicles, they've captured the hearts of many budget-conscious drivers. But what about that dreaded check engine light? Well, hold on tight because the average repair cost for a Hyundai comes in at a manageable $330. But wait, there's more! Let's shine a spotlight on the 2012 Hyundai Tucson, the true champion of cost-effective repairs. Clocking in at a mere $79, this little SUV proves that you don't have to sacrifice your bank account for reliability. So, if you're in the market for an affordable ride that won't leave you penniless when that check engine light pops up, keep your eyes peeled for the trusty 2012 Hyundai Tucson. Number 3. Mazda, the Zoom Zoom Savior. Rev up those engines because Mazda is here to bring the excitement of driving to the masses. Known for their sporty designs and engaging performance, Mazda has become a beacon of reliability and fun on the road. And when it comes to check engine light repairs, they continue to impress with an average cost of $332. But let's dive deeper into the 2012 Mazda 3, the ultimate hero of low repair costs. With a price tag of just $224 for check engine light repairs, this compact car proves that you can have your own cake and eat it too. So, if you're seeking a vehicle that combines affordability, reliability, and a pinch of exhilaration, look no further than the 2012 Mazda 3. Zoom zoom indeed. Number 2. Kia, the budget marvel. Oh, Kia, the brand that knows how to deliver big value on a small budget. With their lineup of stylish and practical vehicles, they've become a go-to choice for budget-conscious drivers. So what about the check engine light repairs? Well, get ready to breathe a sigh of relief because the average cost of a Kia is a pocket-friendly $321. But hold on tight because we have a special treat in store. Introducing the 2017 Kia Soul, the knight in shining armor of low repair costs. At an astonishingly low $82, this funky and versatile vehicle proves that budget-friendly repairs can be a reality. So, if you want a car that not only turns heads, but also keeps your wallet happy, keep your eyes peeled for the delightful 2017 Kia Soul. You'll be grooving down the road with a smile on your face and money in your pocket. Number 1. Nissan, the mystery unveiled. And now, we've arrived at the top of the list, the number 1 spot. Nissan is the brand that keeps us on the edge of our seats, offering a range of vehicles that cater to every driver's needs. According to RepairPal, the average repair cost for a Nissan is $500 per year, making it lower than average repair cost for all car brands, which sits at $652 per year. But what about the lowest repair cost model? Buckle up because we're about to reveal the shining star of affordability in the Nissan lineup. Introducing the Nissan Versa, the little champion that steals the show with its remarkable average repair cost of just $300 per year. This compact wonder proves that you can have a reliable and wallet-friendly ride without breaking the bank. Whether you're zipping through city streets or embarking on a road trip, the Nissan Versa keeps your repair costs in check and lets you enjoy the journey with peace of mind. On the flip side, we have the Nissan Armada, which is the high roller in terms of repair costs. With an average repair cost of $750 per year, the Armada reminds us that even the mightiest beasts need a bit more attention. But fear not, dear Nissan enthusiasts, as the average repair costs for other popular models like the Altima, Sentra, Rogue, Pathfinder, and Titan fall within a reasonable range, ensuring that owning a Nissan remains a financially viable choice. It's important to remember that these figures are averages, and the actual cost of repairs can vary depending on the specific model, year, and severity of the problem. But with the Nissan Versa shining bright as the lowest repair cost model, you can take comfort in knowing that Nissan has your back when it comes to both reliability and affordability. So keep your eyes peeled for that marvelous Versa or explore the diverse Nissan lineup and let the journey begin with confidence and peace of mind. We appreciate you tuning in to see what we have to say about cheap cars that are easy to fix. We trust that you have learned something new and uncovered some interesting facts along the way. We'd love to hear from you if you have any feedback, inquiries, or car-related experiences to offer. What do you think? Share your ideas in the comments. But the adventure doesn't end here. To ensure you never miss out on our future content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications. By doing so, you'll be the first to embark on our next escapade, where we'll explore even more fascinating topics and unveil the secrets of the automotive world here at Car Computer Exchange. Remember, my fellow road warriors, finding an affordable and reliable car doesn't have to be a myth. With a little knowledge and some savvy decision-making, you can keep your wheels spinning and your wallet happy. So, until we meet again, keep cruising and exploring, and may your automotive journey be filled with excitement, laughter, and many memorable moments. Stay tuned for more adventures ahead.